let us solve the question number 8, which says that f plus dot be a field. Okay, here f plus dot is a field, and I'm writing f plus dot is a field. Okay, and consider a set M is equal to all such 4 cross 4 matrix of the form A, B, 0, 0. Okay, such that A, B belongs to F. Then they are saying that this M is a right ideal of F, this M is a left ideal of F, this M is neither left ideal nor right ideal, and this M is a both sided ideal of F. Okay, so we have to check which option is correct. The definition of left ideal. So left ideal, which says that let R be a ring, R plus dot be a ring, a non-empty set I is called left ideal of R if AB belongs to I implies A minus B belongs to I, for all AB belongs to I, and R belongs to capital R and A belongs to I implies R into A belongs to I. Then we say that this set is an ideal, left ideal. Okay, similarly you can define right ideal. A minus B belongs to I and AR belongs to I, for all A belongs to A and R belongs to R. Okay, so we have to check this set is left ideal or right ideal. Okay, so let us start. First of all, I am taking two elements of this set. I am taking two matrices. AB belongs to M. If AB belongs to M, I can say that A is of the form AB 0 0 or A1 B1 0 0, and B is of the form A2 B2 0 0, right? So I can say that A1 A2 B A1 A2 B1 B2 belongs to F, right? And hence I can say that now let us start with A minus B. A minus B is equal to A1 B1 0 0 minus A2 B2 0 0. Okay, if we subtract the second matrix from the first matrix, and I will get A1 minus A2 B1 minus B2, it is minus 0 0. Okay, now observe that A1 and A2 both belongs to F, and F is field, and hence A1 minus A2 again belongs to F. Similarly, I can say that B1 minus B2 belongs to F, right? I am considering this A1 minus A2 as A3 B3 0 0, where A3 B3 both belongs to F, and hence I can say that this A minus B belongs to I. Okay, so okay, this A minus B belongs to I, and observe that this same must be non-empty. Why? You can see that as this is a field, then each mask contains the identity element with respect to addition. So this element belongs to M. So this M is non-empty if AB belongs to M, A minus B belongs to M. Now let us take an arbitrary element R from this field. I am taking any R from F, and then R into A is nothing but R into R into A3 sorry A1 B1 0 0. So if you multiply this R with this, you will get RA1 RB1 0 0. Now as R belongs to F and A1 belongs to F, so I can say that RA1 is equal to A4, which is again belongs to F, and RB1 is equals to B4, which is again belongs to F. So I can say that this is nothing but A4 B4 0 0. So this belongs to our M. Okay, this is, I have considered this set as M. Sorry, this is not I, this is M. So I can say that M is a left ideal of F. So therefore M is an left ideal in F. Okay, So M is a left ideal. Now observe that as F is a field, we know that in a field multiplication is commutative. So I can write it as AR1 also, A1R also, and hence it is again a right ideal. So this is a both sided ideal. So let us see the options. So option D says that M is a both sided ideal in F. So option D is our correct option. So that's all about our question number 8. Now let us solve the question number 9.